So I make sure tell him say the Prime Minister give away social house, indigent house, Desmond Mackenzie. Them come from the state. And there are two type of house come from indigent. 100.
It's so quiet. How I go on?
I mean, I wonder if me I talk to myself or life not talk.
You may want me to take a cut off.
Yeah, me think I cut it cut
We
off.
are listening, man. We are listening. We are listening.
Yeah, me
Where you
think
come from?
when them up there talk, so when me go in ask me the question, so me say two type of house. You have social house and you have
They will
indigent
have no
house.
different blank. I fuck with them the party that keep up. Then no
This,
dumps.
them a go on like them don't understand what Desmond Mackenzie mean, like where because even we did about it for the platform that yeah, everybody rush me. Not tell me say a fool me at all. Me I say me now take him. Wanna go watch the program with Desmond Mackenzie. Desmond Mackenzie
Mm-hmm.
say, what the man say me I say. Me not say what he say. Me I break it down to them last night. You can't get an
Mm-hmm.
Indian house if you don't have no family at all.
Did I
And
use
you,
that another page? Are you new page?
and you,
If I use type yes. I
and
make
you,
sure
you
someone follow protecting JA page.
Missing come up with a no, me no know.
Yeah man, in him not yeah. Yeah man. I'm gonna follow him.
Yeah, man, but
Right.
enough to make people give them no little idiot and man. I'm glad how Black King did catch up on you, because I mean, I comments at times say, I'll know man now answer no question.
You
Yeah.
know, say,
You must turn everything in a
you know,
man
say
and
them
all.
not answer question one,
They don't
100.
answer question.
Them use a question, but when say them use question, answer question.
Yeah, and I try monologue and
When
I
you
try.
ask them a question, them ask you
Because
back
I know we
one.
don't answer DME question, you know, answer professor question. Because I know everybody telling about about 2 to 3 money out of 100.
No, but me
We
I say
can't
something
use
to him,
that.
and the man I say a fool in this matter. See, he must say we should bring in greater law, greater city to protect women and children. So I'm the man, more man are dead, more than anything else. The man say fuck me attack.
But
Yeah, that day.
this man will come up in the thing and I type. This boy only come in my life about 3 times now he come in my life. Last time he came in there too, the first time he came in, we have a damn good chat. Plank was in there, Plank bring him up in our life, we have a damn good chat. The second time he come up, me tell him, say, me don't want him because him a liar, the way him deal.
Who that?
Vice of the nation. So come somebody
Oh,
come in there,
listen.
come type now, but every time
Oh,
you come up to Black King live. Black King have him in the don't do that, man. Me not like them thing there.
True, I feel like you can't bring up anybody who want up in their life. I feel like
but
You
when
get
for
me?
your
You know,
internet.
but when Chuck them bring him up, when Chuck and Chopper them bring them up, I talk to them. Nobody knows nothing. Say
Run your
you
nothing.
see
life,
how
boy, you
them
want to run your
people are
life
be
here. No matter nobody make you upset. Run your life, boy, you want to run your life.
but me don't know who
No,
I
that
hear
like
phone,
person
we,
I
is.
hear
The
phone,
person have
I hear phone TikTok, I watch up in
come
the
with
Black
them
King. TikTok
49
match up.
even though we
follower and
have
come
big
talk
man
about
and big
Black King
man
this.
on the app, bro. You
Don't do that,
can't.
man. Don't do
I know
I
who
mean,
that,
I
you
say
brother.
are,
all
We
of
need
we
brother.
to
have big
stop with
man
the
and big
foolishness.
man on the app.
Cause I
Like
don't like,
say
I
them,
don't like any part TikTok. I look give everybody give you like say them yeah make money and you not make the money now.
yeah,
Just do
you get
the
what
way
me
out
say.
there,
It's
man.
gonna really like
Some people come with them very
it's gonna
personal,
like how they
vendetta, them
and
personal
it's gonna really
argument.
like how
You know, find on good time with them.
After
they say,
we moving on.
Now you come out of that to kind of silent, that's a big man.
Watch it now.
And move your blood.
I'm gonna deal with him.
Me
Let me
do it.
with him.
What do you
Let me
think?
with
I
him.
want to hear what I say.
No. You know
Hey, no rush
mute
him,
him,
no rush
I
him,
mean.
no rush
that.
him.
Trust me, virgin.
No rush him, brother, no rush
But hear me,
him.
I say.
Let me
Yeah,
with him.
they
Let
say,
me with him.
but hear me, I
Hey,
say,
the man
and
look
this
like
me
he
not
can
really
chuck up
like
his head, you
how,
know.
and this me not really like how
May I
TikTok, you know,
say,
and the political scheme, you know, is that people feel, we are all aware big man and big woman, why people feel like they have to them responsibility for muscle what people want to do or not.
Hey,
Rusty, me
I
milk
feel
your Rusty.
All I know.
I feel attack page president.
No, some
Remember,
You
people
some
know,
are
advice
talk
just
no
to
big.
big man.
And you
Remember,
have
some
no.
you
advice.
find yourself a
And
fall.
not
Remember,
only
some
that
advice no
alone in
big.
100
Most
life.
Remember, some
yeah,
advice
break up,
no
yeah,
big.
break up, man.
Remember, some
100
advice
life
no
is not
big.
that
Hold
alone.
on,
Some people
hold
have some
on.
personal agenda, personal vendetta.
Black King.
Yeah. I
Some
want you
advice
to
no big.
carry same agenda when them have
Beanie,
one.
100 live, 100 live. Remember, some
Beanie.
advice no big. Remember, some advice
Yo,
no
the man
big,
and
man.
nine, man.
Remember, some advice no big, brother. You know how long you try to
And that's why you're
get to
nine,
man.
Beanie.
because your voice smart.
So, but you know, here people are
Yeah.
talk as well. We did not show big voice.
Me and you know some milk up
Wanna
on
make him talk? Make him
Come
talk.
like,
Cause
come
him
like you
voice no
like
big.
that, break up.
Him voice only big when him a cuss bad word.
me and you know that.
Beanie.
Alright. Go for India.
As not,
India go for
all right.
yard.
As not
Go for
say.
yard India.
As not say, right?
Over 40 years we apart. And me
I've
and you
said it.
know how we stay.
Mute, Mike, I don't know, please. As not say. Listen here.
Beanie.
Me and Black King. If it,
What? Which one your man there? Me say mute your man. Which one?
you know, me say to Black King over that. It's
Can't go
true
I want to take care
MCA
of them.
that every time Black King brings somebody on the live, people come and say, why am I carry them on the live? But the same persons, you will
Turn
hear
around
them
back when I
on
banana
this
trees.
live. They will come on this live and say, me when they on that live, they talk to that person that me have to do. When they on that live, they would have, then why the hell Black King can't keep him for him live? If you know, can go for the man live and go for other live with the man, why him can't there?
Me and Crawford talk about the same thing, you know. I want that.
The rusty and that.
I'm a Rusty.
And a
I'm
rusty
say to
style.
Black King already. I said to Black King, do what you want.
Beanie. Beanie.
Yeah.
Oh,
We are telling people. We
Christian,
are
I
telling
get back.
people right
Christian, I
about.
get back on next
Hmm?
audition, man.
Go on about your business, man. Go on to your auntie them.
No, Christian, I get a Audrey.
It's a hard, but it's an next hardly sure. You know,
It could be better.
could be
Rusty,
better
That
too.
might,
Rusty, Rusty,
it,
how
can,
pull,
it
Rusty,
might,
how
it
pull your
might be
good?
better.
There was man a yard and now you have woman a yard.
Rusty,
Yeah,
Woman,
man,
pull your,
yeah.
might be better too.
Rusty,
You have a woman a
Yeah,
yard
yeah.
now.
Too much money attack. Me now get the answer where you hear what you say.
who pull your
Listen.
goat? Who pull your goat?
Do I?
Who pull your goat?
Pull the
Indian.
phone.
Indian. He man say, we pull a goat.
Who pull your goat?
No, my missus tie the goat up this, but him I said the goat type and him come clean and come down and loud off him mouth. And me I say, don't do that. See, come loud off him mouth and I come talk about like about what me gonna do. Like said, him don't know what me will do. Like him don't know that.
No, put yourself in that trouble.
Rusty.
Then
We
him
want
come
you to.
out.
Yes, Rusty, but you know, have to say certain because you see what you don't know, you're on live and you're talking to certain people. Panic.
Go mute him, man, so nobody know here.
Somebody not here.
You're not connect, you're not stick.
Have a pin.
You know what you're
But what I mean by what we do about it? And him know what we happen about it.
anything you don't want to do about it, but see that, brother said it. We're not problem.
The goat that still at the matter right here.
No, you're not here. No problem, you know?
Tell me.
That's that we're Korean.
Last day.
What's up, phone?
Very good, Rusty. So put yourself in
Yeah,
that
so
trouble,
when
my boy.
yeah, so when you
We
think
want you. We want to see you on the live. We want to see you on the live, you know. And a real up Jonas with us.
the rest of man.
You're good a while ago. But
You see how you see how no immerse in a rugby argument, you know see you know? You don't think it's easy.
Me think, I want
When
a
no
little boy.
immerse.
Me think I want a little boy pull a goat camera on the car. So Rusty, I will pull a goat.
So
Yo,
may I ask you guys, so the campaign start? The
long
JLP
time.
campaign start?
I'm like, chef, where you at?
This ask if campaign start. I wish you there. You're blind.
I must go away. I chef, I joke, I get chef.
Eh?
No, I'm just asking, sir. Can I ask?
Then you see
Yeah,
you walk out to them bell Sunday night.
Yes, sir.
really, we campaign start.
We don't understand that. Dog.
Okay.
Campaign been a
Okay.
one.
All right. All right. Don't worry yourself. I will be out there. I will be out there campaigning for a
Hey,
couple
you
of
never out
weeks.
there yet. What call you?
No, I must in
Where's-
Jamaica. I come.
Hey, boy, go on, man. Hey, Rusty, go.
I must fly. My plan to fly down.
Why not? Why not? We don't, we are big bird, you know.
Like
big
how
bird, you know.
the man said this man said that take public transport. So I say a private plane they have.
No, we are big bird.
I want
We
to
have
take it up.
Buckland.
I want to Kevin have a dark side.
Yeah, man, Kevin, Kevin, I like him.
Kevin, no,
Me never hear Kevin. Me never hear Kevin go and say it, brother. You
Yeah,
say
me
wait, I walk.
Kevin have a dark side market.
We are big bird, man. We don't stop fly.
Tell us
Yeah,
something.
man, Kevin, that one.
You see, if when they put the program, I said, I'm go on and be a fool in this. When Kevin come up with a man, then you start and stammer, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's a more thing, you know. Kevin have a dark. Kevin said, take me now, me can't take them. But when him live, you know, no can't go over him live, but he won't give it up. 100.
Them me the funny life I say I nine chat, but he not read me comment them. And cause when I say I debunk everything, when I say nah read them. You
So you
must see them, but he not read them.
You see when
One time I did them yesterday.
him now put up no more person at that time. You put up one PMP and talk. Him put up one labor right.
You know who my sister stays so? VG. Why name you Richard? You Richard. Because some come up and tell people say my PMP. I find that me not see come up no more.
He come up on life, but he not talk politics.
Yes, he admit to it. Because you Richard tell him say don't put up who him to put up. And that's why he do it. As I know some PMP our youth for what you call it? For Reddy's Road. Come up and say VG PMP. And he said, who you know some PMP? He's a VG, Rasta, we know you a long time, man. We know your wife or your mother, them a PMP right now. And he come back admitted to it. He admitted to it.
Yeah, admit to it and saying can't believe so somebody will come up and
somebody know him.
Blow him cover like that and
man used to par.
Yeah.
No, but we never need that to determine say my PNP anyway. He never hide it.
Because
if you listen to a man talk, you can tell you.
You're right. You're right, you know. You're right.
I'm not trusted.
He might go like say in neutral. He's a neutral.
No, if you listen to anybody, me tell you man, it's easy if you know them in a man.
PG a PMP na, but he not like it. Watch out.
Yes,
PG a PMP na, but he don't like Mark Golding. He not like Mark Golding.
Remind him of my talk too. I look like him no member.
That's PMP na, but he not like.
You know, sir.
Hold on there. Rusty.
But you don't come talk to big man.
Rusty. If you put yourself in another trouble, you know, me nah bail you.
Be yourself out there. Rusty.
Oh.
Zip it.
You be
Zip
there,
it, man. Zip it, man.
Yeah, man. Rusty, remember say you were general in a rush.
But sometimes
Yo, we want to see the dog. We want to see the boss, man. You're general in the dog. You're most
Lord,
some boy member sometimes I will talk.
Yes, but you're with general dog. You can't make nobody know you like that, boss. You can't make nobody know you like that, boss, man. Drink the tea, man, and ease yourself, boss, man. Green cup!
You still there?
Blank.
Green cup!
Yo,
Blank.
yo.
A man wanna eat, you know, get dark so easy, you know.
No, man, Rusty taste, man.
Morning. How you doing?
Rusty, taste it.
Yeah, man, in taste, man.
Oh. Oh, okay. Hey, let me tell you something I observe and what there. Karen Cross go put out a Facebook post says she fully green. See? Natalie Stack put out post say, you know, she'll labor right.
You're playing chip up.
And
DV.
somebody else put out a post. All Imperia, right? I hear labor rights are celebrate. I say, them people are PMP for the whole of their life, about 30, 40 years. And then come over now. Me not understand why is it that when a PMP cross the floor, then get so much attention and when they get so excited. Me not get
That's the people.
I Prime Minister make them stay so. I Prime Minister say make them come.
Yes.
A win for the Jamaica Labour Party is a
It's a
win for
win
Jamaica.
for Jamaica.
me not talk
We have to
about we're
celebrate
gonna do
them.
anything man. We better about
Come here. Come here.
celebrate
But
what?
the same
For
topic,
them
you
come
know,
over?
what do you think? Yeah.
Boss man, calm down and sing low. Talk low, man. Calm down and talk low. We have to celebrate them. Make they come.
Yeah,
We
Why?
want more of them.
But
We want more of them.
Why?
We want more of them.
Why?
You want me to tell you why? Tell you
No.
why?
Why we have to celebrate?
You want me to tell you why?
Just
Eh?
three numbers. Punko.
Alright, calm down. Calm down, no, man.
This is about nothing else. We
Just
can't make
celebrate.
it personal.
Yeah.
We can't make
Yeah,
it
just
personal thing.
Yes,
Screw,
get
so we
to it.
want the numbers. Watch out now.
Get to it.
One thing about what Lawrence Shaw said. Lawrence Shaw said he voted for JLP in 2020. A young trader. What do you think about
But
that?
you know, I'm about like Mattel.
Alright, you think I joke?
I know
Remember
what
say
like
I want to say
the
an
election,
handful right now. I probably true.
See, you can't stay there.
All I want to say an handful right now. That is probably true. Remember, I did tell you months before he crossed the floor, so that brother is going to cross him.
That's all, yeah.
You see the next person. You see the next
Yeah,
person.
no, he is the alien. Well,
Means I read body language and read between the lines.
what did I write? No.
long time Rusty I predict that thing.
Rusty, what you think about Lisa Anna?
You know, sorry.
She needs to come home.
She a come home, man. She a come home, man.
Kid. She needs to pick up her ambition.
Who?
To back in her pocket.
Lisa,
Who not that?
Lisa,
What we gonna do with Lisa, brother?
come down, calm down. Hey,
For what? No.
calm down, man.
Hold on. Answer me. What are we going to do? What we need Lisa for?
Talk low.
You need the support.
Talk low. Wait, look at her. Wait,
No,
listen to me. Listen to me.
No, hold on, calm down. Calm down. Hold on. No.
When Babs resign, she gonna get that post. Calm down.
No.
How can I fuck you at that, brother? How can I fuck you at that?
No, don't say that.
So what Terry Long did I do?
Sorry. Sorry.
I want to man.
We're not about
The Blues now come get Babs the post. You look like you're drunk.
man.
Sorry.
We have Aju Max, so we want to put in a post, you know, bro.
What a rascal. So I want to know if I syrup you put enough for your tea this man, make it so sweet.
Sorry. Yeah, General. Sorry, sir. My apology.
Man, make
My apology. Pongos, come back.
1 minute. 1 minute. I asked one question this man. And when I ask you one question, I confirm everything in my head.
So you jump the box.
And I know I don't need to talk to that brother again because I know directly what is his agenda and what is his purpose. So me know from now on say anytime I see that brother for any life again, me knows there's a sodomite life that me I go this up.
Who?
You know what I'm saying? Him say 100% no.
So me know say anyway me see him again, me no fi go there so cause me 100% batty man and me no deal with that.
By obligation.
He said no. He said 100% no. He never said yes.
100%.
No. You know your answer, Rusty. He said 100%.
The
Who
man,
the
the man said he's
person
100% a sodomite.
He's
the
a
person call himself
100%
vice
no.
of the nation?
Yeah. The man, me ask the man
Well,
if him
I
support the
see
gay
that man.
agenda and him say 100%.
I see that man. Our big miss see that.
That means that me know say anywhere me see him. Right now, me just this one next time me come off of the phone, me scroll through and make certain look if me and him a friend if we block him in a brother.
I miss see that man.
Well on the shockwave, Rusty. Let me tell you, I only plank on the program here when he said
Black
100%.
King
All
said,
I
Black
hear,
King hear him.
well,
Him
you are blocking our room.
100% no.
Well on the
Him
plank,
no
well on the
support
plank,
it. Come on, Dini.
well on
Nobody
the plank,
fuck them, man.
well on the man. Me and Rusty hear the same thing. The man said 100%. I never hear no
100% the
more
man
than
say.
Him say 100%. Him say, see all Judith said there. Him say 100% no. Black
play
King
back
a
it
chat.
here.
And Black King a tell
Play
us
back it here.
that him say,
Play back it here. Play back it
Rusty,
here.
Rusty. You see when they say 100%, you jump so fast. You don't even hear it, you know.
There is the plank.
Yo, when we see Rusty, they tell me say Rusty jump him. It's a 100%. He jump out PM time.
I wish you hold in a plank. You need to come out of the hole the way, you know.
In their Burger King man, it's not that Burger King. McDonald's man, McDonald's Wi-Fi I use.
It look like a Gabriel Wi-Fi I use. You need to come out, master.
Why for that, Rusty? Don't play with me with that.
Hey, you make sure you know.
May I have Fred run any put on the joke with me. Now run the joke with me.
Yes,
Come on.
your cooking Wi-Fi come back.
Yeah.
Hey,
Allah.
Rusty,
Car,
Rusty,
what is joke?
Bad.
Rusty,
Yes, your
Rusty,
quick plan Wi-Fi
Rusty,
come back.
Yeah, man, he got the wrong name. Connected.
Rusty.
Come back.
The Wi-Fi chip it back
If you
immediately.
don't notice, you know, if you don't notice, you know, Rusty,
Bad,
but
Bridget,
participate in the
bad,
conversation, you know.
everybody.
Yes, Spec, what one?
Bad, we do. Why would I listen to that laugh? I really do want if it expose by Jumbo. Because I think starting from Bustamante days, you know, the Jamaica Labour Party was created for Jamaicans, you know, man. And
Not for British.
well,
Why are Jamaicans that was born in Jamaica?
Not British man.
the
Not the
Jamaica Labour
British
Party
man.
is Jamaicans, eh? Jamaicans. You think you come with a switch it? Wait relation call.
But 8 of them switching at 2 weeks, you know, brother.
You think you see nothing yet? You don't think
No.
a whole body man look power go you know. And I think about that, you know, sir.
Connecting
Yeah.
then I know switching making this you get vexed, you know. And the fact that people are want people switch and get position. I talk with think they make
Well,
Me,
yeah,
but
man.
I'm gonna go back.
I talk with Chef McBoss and Lisa and I'm back the great spot.
No, but we want to hear more from Punkos. Punkos never done the development point. That man I got him out.
Punkos, come back up, man.
They mentioned Babs get money.
But Lisa get position. You must see one back shot position you gonna make flat give.
Punkos, I'm sorry. Come back up, man.
Flank.
Be choked rotted.
From Bustamante days, you know. From Bustamante
Black
days.
na hear me.
At least I'm supposed to look good for the back, you know.
Blanky na day at the theater say joke. Rusty.
Oi.
I want back shot position, them I go give Lisa and JLP for I make a deal. I want to see that. I want to see that the position.
Oh, you call up my friend Rusty here, man. Leave my friend Rusty alone.
I want to see that the position there alone, but Babsy position.
Rusty, I'm general, you know.
Yeah,
You're my general. You're my general.
I wait him, or Lizard Lap.
yeah,
You're my general, you know, cash your juice.
hold on. When Babsy take 100, I know nobody can get our place. Babsy is
You need respect for the senator lady. Stop it. You're a little boy.
Ah! But I give me a no power pan.
My friend Rusty, you know, no cash your juice up there. If you don't know cash your juice.
out of me, pen, me see them be yourself.
Now, go ahead, Rusty, you know, I'm going to drink some tuna with the cash and juice.
I like the pretty girl, you know, with the one cash.
Yo, when we used to
You want some sun, you want cement.
when we used to have 4 passes, now, man, every Sunday me drink juice, man. Nice.
Are you not? Are you not?
Hey boy, going on a twin me getting
Oh,
Where you get?
one boy, one girl, twin.
One time for all.
Time. And then cash your juice me get me a blaze.
You put your mouth in it, though.
you get 20 boy, 2 boy. My big man, I know about
You have to send some cash your juice go get blank.
my big man, them, you know.
You have to send some go get blank.
Yeah, but you say mouth water can't breathe nobody.
You see, you see, I don't know where I get twin baby. You know, should I go play cricket in the car? I never see a cricket a ball 2 ball one time. A ball 2 ball one time. You know?
Of course.
What is somebody? Every time me a bowl a 2 ball, me ever swing.
2 ball. One but 2 ball.
They say Malin guy best. They say Malin guy best will ever do it, and I be one ball to see my ball.
The best flinger.
Yeah.
Spec did I say you know we cut him off in a spec. Make we make spec talk when I say.
Your friend, see your friend heal you up there. Prodigal son. Kenneth Sanders.
Yeah, man.
Which Sanders there? Which Sanders?
Hold on, Chef Wade, hold on.
Who you respect I said that?
Yeah, man. Me I make a point about the. You see what I mean? I was need to understand that we not only do we need a victory, we need a massive victory. We send a signal to the PMP, you know. So we must extend to the comrades and we switch. We must stop negative about them.
Embrace them too and don't embarrass them.
Yes, man. I saw that happening in 1980. No found never ban it. PMP switch. I would have said that was PMP for 30 years. Big old me mandible. The one of the big, you see, come like a Jamaican at the time there.
Yeah, man, me know sense of
When
charter.
that man switching over there, it's like a sack wave in PMP, you know.
No sense of charter. Them a Cuban, you know.
We must stop disrespect the PMP them and embrace and show them love, man. When they must say them welcome over here, so. When we switch 1980, me probably not get some custody, but me don't care, because I can't vote, can't vote for PMP, because PMP no good.
Right.
Yeah,
I'm telling you, like it.
One second,
Why not speak?
Good morning.
Yes, Fancy.
Good morning, beautiful.
Morning.
Good morning, beautiful.
You know, you come over here as a distraction.
I like that smile. I like that smile. Watch it.
You know.
Watch it, General.
See, I've got to turn on the camera right now, so connecting can't finish.
Turn on the camera, make him done.
Yeah, I've got to turn off to make him done.
Turn off the camera.
Yeah, tell you. I tell you, man. Yes. With dumb show, find company control on this camera.
Also, you're bright woman, pretty man.
How will you sell like money?
Sexy like wow.
Done.
When you there, me have to come for you, you know, when you there.
That's great inspiration, that, you know. I
When
got
you come,
great inspiration, that.
yo.
Chef Wayne, watch out. You see she having the braces, them in the braces. The braces rub on the thing good enough.
Eh?
My passport expired.
I'm coming for you, my yard.
What's up, nice man?
Yeah, man, I got inspiration them.
Jesus Christ.
Come now, who want a kiss?
Right, the brother, them a behave like some honey crab, Gerard. Not even crab honey like you know. God, side.
Fancy.
Nah, man.
Yeah, my passport expired. We cannot take that before. You just
Black, shut up, the damn black to get the kiss.
No, fuck, connected that still there. Him just, because the lady was on him.
Connecting to that looking as well, brother. Connecting to that, you see your life funny.
yeah, everybody silent all when I said. I don't know when I
Because we want this connected to that. This woman just come up here with that shot herself.
All right, me turn off my camera.
Right. Your time, my boss. If you want to Rusty go rent.
Yeah, man.
Leave Rusty alone. Leave it alone, Frank.
All right.
It's all make you wanna cuss me.
About that connecting. Let me apologize for the man then. Go ahead, connecting to that.
Women are God's creation, you know, man. So when they come in that place, you know, say, we have to observe a moment, recognize.
Take a moment of silence.
Recognize feminine beauty, man. Yeah, that boy.
Take a moment of silence to recognize it.
Take time out to do that. You know, but to go back to what I was saying, you know, it's very important that we understand something here. So, this government has performed so well that is going to be naturally going to attract some PMP to the JLP. And we can't put there so as supporters who are up on the battlefield, and because the come with them cost so much and disrespect, we are doing the same thing. No, they are attracted to the Labour Party because them see a difference to the Labour Party.
Call them over.
And I'm not surprised that Lawrence shows him vote JLP in 2020, you know. Because whole PMP are going to poll this election in 2025 and vote the Labour Party, you know. Whole of them are going to the orange and take time to ballot for Dr. Andrew Michael Holness. Tell that from me, I'm telling you this man, you know. But we have to be more welcoming to them. We have to embrace them. The leadership of the Labour Party, starting from Ostamanti all the way back. As soon as they embrace comrades, that's how the Labour Party was formed. Some comrades I do join the Labour Party, you know, for the Labour Party to exist up, to be formed first and to exist up until now. You want about 98 and you already embrace them. They show them love and encourage the Labour Party to show them love. And then come over and joke that 51-9 seat, they win, you know, 51-9. The extent of the victory in 2025 matters. This government works so hard and has done so much for this country, to elevate this country. And there's so much more to be done. We need that kind of mandate to go in a third term. We just need to creep through. We need to win big to send the right signal to the PNP that look here, the people are now embracing the Labour Party. The people are now embracing Dr. Andrew Michael Holness and what is being done for Jamaica. And as I said before, you know, if you don't think say whole of water will turn on, and the urban center them will be load. And the hospital them will be load, and the school them will be load. Because significant work is being done in the education, you know. In that matter, you know, it's a new primary and a new secondary school. A lot of build out is taking place in the schools. More classroom blocks are going up. Technology is going in. You're seeing that going to building all kind of different things to make the classroom them more. Can you imagine you got class with see man? You make learning much better, you know. You don't have any class dismiss, you know, left class because you see inside it. You understand? So a lot is being done in health education. Well, it is clear that national security will have probably receive the lion's share of the investment because of cut down on this high homicide rate and crime rate. By the way, I listened to Dr. Holness just last night, you know. And for the first time I hear him, I say, holy power, I say, you know. Holy say the crime, the homicide rate is going back down to the 1960s. And I see that coming on. I see it. I see homicide go below 100, you know. In Jamaica, yes. 100. I see that in our region, it happen now for me to see it. I have that vision to see where the government is taking this country. And this leader, Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Michael, he definitely have first role status in mind. That is what he's building out. What he's building out in the health sector, education and everything, and national security. You cannot think first role. And you have homicide at 1,000 at a year. That not tying with no first role nothing. And people just slack and loose and a taxi man a black up town center as they have a mind. God, they don't have no what you call it, the bus park here or there. If them proper they don't have no bus park here, proper transportation center and something. Everything is being built up, but it can't happen in a 2 terms. It's impossible to happen in a 2 terms. You understand? So me a beg on do. Tap cost out the PMP them. We love customers, don't follow them. Them are cost you know. But we don't have to cost them. We have so much more to tell them than to be finding the time for verbally abuse them. No, so I'm not time for that. Me not time for cost no PMP. I cost nobody for that matter. Me not the time I take a cost them. I share with them the good news. I tell them by the way, today the solidarity $20,000 supposed to start paying today. Some announcement they're gonna make between 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock. The 20,000 reverse income tax rate they pay. The other people they won't never get a chance to get any. The bartender, the shopkeeper them, and the people them over 60 when have when they no formal income. 60, I think 60, we over 60. And you don't have no formal, you know, no pension and no social pension. A whole lot of people are about $1 billion, you know, 50,000 more Jamaicans will benefit from that $20,000 starting today. So these are some of the things that we must try and identify the people. So they must pay attention now and listen and look out for this in the link and go get the money through the bank account or the Western Union or whatever other area they choose. Understand? So these things are out here. 20 grand in your pocket now.
I must say this to you before you go any further.
Yeah, General.
I really appreciate you being so enthused and on point with most of the things, because sometimes we really not paying attention.
True.
Yeah, we are in tune with what's going on, but there are some things that we really not pay attention to, really. Take for instance, that to which you referred now, just now. I about it, you know. But I have made mention of it because I didn't think it was all that important, because I think that to mention it really, because I think that is something that people should know.
No man, everybody know, man. Everybody know.
Like a lot of people does not know.
Yes, true, man.
Really appreciate you doing this, you know.
We keep repeating these things, you know, so people get the information.
That's the reason why we need people like you and what the next virgin name will sound like you. Protecting Jamaica, something like that.
Protecting JLP.
Yes, we really. You know, we really people like all Philippines and them people, because you know you have some people really grounded to the information, like yourself, you know. So you know, we really appreciate that.
Yeah, man, every time, man, every time. But we there for 85 people, you know, man. And that's why I'm telling you, say, we can't cost no PMP, brother. I mean, that time we cost somebody.
Oh, me cost them same way. You will not cost them. You will cost them.
That time.
Yeah, me not stop cost them because anytime me cost them.
And then disrespect me come out.
No, me not go panel. Anytime me cost them.
Get them ready, get them ready.
It's not the nature of the disrespect.
Cost them till they cross the floor.
Yeah. A part of them DNA for disrespect people. And number how think Allen leader. Close back your mic there. 100 times. I feel that I come from you look like. Yeah, man. Are you that? Feel
And pull up your screen. Can you ever watch people page and come back?
You just come back and I back.
No, you know, see how.
No, so you go watch people page.
I work, me are going to some GPS and an intune at the same time.
Yeah, feedback then all right, we don't do live there. So probably if you jump out and jump in back in our backs. Everything is not going all right. Well, let's see so doing I record, yeah, you know.
I don't know record, man.
So
when they must screen record, they can't go connected.
connecting. What,
Yeah,
what is it? Can you say about the Donkey King fake poll that he put out?
Well, a scam is me call that, you know. Scam poll them, man. Them are scam poll. If you notice, you know. Anytime you see him come with them close poll, they're losing, you know. Anytime you see him come with and go and poll within them, say the PMP lead by 3 percentage point. And then last election, that was a very close election. But in the PMP, and the next poll will come on, close to election, it must say PMP surge died. Look out for that one day. PMP died. I next poll that. If I give them a close poll now, when they at the year 2 before the election and go and poll the PMP surge died. I'm a regular thing that. So me not pay that poll. The blue that poll is proving to be more consistent. The blue that poll say the 4%. I'm waiting on the next blue that poll. Whatever that poll say, we go with it. And if you check the ground swell, the JLP has the momentum going in favor of the Labour Party. With all the people who are jumping ship. Now, help them. A lot of them supporters, you know, I pay attention and say, no, so it's not look good. And you have a lot of jumping taking place in my baptism, man. That's right. I'm saying nearly don't know what's going on there. I'm joining. Jim, I mean, nearly joining my baptism, you know, I'm going back in the water. What him to do?
Boy, man, watch off. Every orange off.
Yeah, watch out there all time. And a lot of that is taking place all over Jamaica.
And that's why I say, in respect, me always say it for the life, say, when we get worried, and when we see too high profile, they're all right, I jump ship.
Like 1993, God, some you that. You lose at the time, they. You better know. And any side where they jump in, I take place, they might go down. I'm going to jump off a sinking ship.
No time at all.
I'm going to jump off a ship or float.
I'm for connecting me. You say Danishka William, Danishka, your girl from St. Anne's, disgruntled says the guy they leave her, you know.
That's not what I'm paying that, you know, because
then they must feel that, man.
Must pay that, you know, man.
Close, you know. I needed to help her wicked in and then.
No, man, but are your council caretaker kind of man? You won last year, you won the election last year and lose, you know. But watch you know. Even before him jump, you know. That seat there, I want strong Labour right seat, you know, for a long time, you know, but the PMP win it because the Labour right then get to come to the night. And I think I'm in him. Neville Gallimore. Because I see that my father to son, you know, about not Gallimore. I want school name after him in that country.
Yeah, want school name after him. Yeah.
Right. And him start the seat and win the seat, never lose the seat. His son come in, Neville Gallimore, but then take it for granted. They take it for granted at 93 in last seat.
About not Gallimore.
No. The son was Neville Gallimore, his son.
No, but his son, it's school not about.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so it's school name.
After the Labour right man there. But the JLP, you know.
It's about not Gallimore school name.
Yeah, man. About not Gallimore High School. Name of
them not tell me no, hey, Me used to run bus now. A bus me used to run in the Jamaica now, man. Me used to carry school trip, you know.
Sorry, born so
I
to watch.
want, no. From Mandeville to Christiana. I
Yeah, sorry, sorry.
one day when PJ have a party or something there, what you call it, James Van Beach. Can go charge a couple of weeks. I'm here, so PMP on it, a cuss him out. I say they don't go work, man. I don't want to pay them. No, I pay them their money. Or people have their picnic if you look about and this and that. You think people with him through him are dying up there? Eh?
Well, let me tell you something.
I am pissed.
Yeah, tell me,
I am
say,
already, yes. If they allow people don't vote for them. If
why
they
you think
allow,
say, then that's than I Williams that up there? The seat I want Chang Labour right seat, no, and Xavier me and I do a whole heap of things in a constituency.
Eh?
Last year,
What?
you know, Xavier
Where do you
win,
want to come from?
Xavier win Boroughbridge, you know, Boroughbridge division, which is who that is, no, I recognize it. The Boroughbridge division was held by Xavier a long time, you know, and last year. Sorry, when the PMP had a slight bounce in the local election, Xavier Mean come win the Boroughbridge division and end up with all the division in the 3 division in the constituency. So in strength and cancel position, you know. So this seat
What the division name? Burbridge or Barbridge?
Boroughbridge.
Oh,
Burbridge, man.
That's just outside of K Valley.
Burbridge, man.
On
Oh,
the
we.
Burbridge.
border.
Hello. We said Borough Bridge, but it's actually Borough Bridge. Borough Bridge.
BOROUGH.
Right, Borough Bridge. But we just say Borough Bridge.
Yeah, we call it name, a
You know
Jamaican name.
you know we talk, man. That's what we talk.
A language I speak, yeah, man. So the seat it tough before the farmer before the caretaker comes to jump in. The seat that's then I would have that up every time I win the seat. But the seat I want Chang Labour right seat and Fran Xavier won the seat, but they was straight to consolidate the seat. The man fix some breeder road in that place in
Yes, Xavier Marshall is actually a peace member of parliament, you know. Did you know?
Eh?
Are the a peace member of parliament that you know?
Who Xavier?
Xavier.
No man, the man full of style, man. I tell him man full of
And why
style.
you
You know
are
me?
peace MP, man?
The man happy so till he can't happy no more. The man do that David laugh with every little thing.
Yeah. And the people love him, do you know?
And him very down to earth in the start
No
to
man,
end the business.
From 2016, what in 2016, you know. So in
Eh?
the 2016, you know.
Yeah.
To microphone out, you know. So and connect with the people and do them work and them help all the
The
people.
man very happy doing his job, my youth. And the man just down to earth. The man just,
Yes, so in the
the man
body with them.
hey,
I'm a minister to him, I'm a minister, so my work with you.
you cannot see him and know that him is a member of parliament if you don't know him.
So
The Rusty, you did listen to Craig Woods on the live this morning.
No.
He was on this girl live this morning talking. He's campaigning with Tamika and Dave Brown.
yeah man, definitely.
I know that.
Yeah, so he was on the live talking about them and Mark Golin and all them something there. But it was a good look. It's a good look.
No man, Craig Woods a create wave down Hanover, and he might bring back them to see them. Craig Woods almost
They don't like it. People don't like it.
Well,
No,
on
because, no, what he was saying that the girl named Heather, she was saying something that is not very good when he say they switch, but they will find them in the pit, and it sounds like it's a threat. But he said the leader.
It's can mean a lot of things, you know. Because there's a saying called the pits of life. When you fall in the pits of life, it doesn't necessarily mean a hole. It means
He did actually say, no, she said, switch sign up in a ditch.
Craig Woods is a very popular person in Hanover. Very popular, especially with the youths who do the football things, sports and all these things. So anybody in does, people go and do.
Yo, that the man they single-handedly, push Mr. Eddie out of a corporation alone, Lucy, Craig Woods, the man campaigned against Mr. Eddie. They say next local government in lose his seat. Pew! The man they pressure you, the man they not easy. Remember saying that first half, you know, man, the man have pressure, Dave Brown, you know.
He was saying it. Him say at the first man him like Dave Brown. Him say him beat
He
Dave
said
Brown.
Dave Brown never ever answered.
Yeah, never answer. For 2 years him say him beat this man, and when him say Dave Brown call him and say, Craig, come and campaign with me, the man. Come under the umbrella. Him say him can't believe that the man when beat for 2 years.
Yeah, man, you see, Siaga Labour right, them, Siaga Labour right now too forthcoming when it comes to PMP.
The thing with Dave Brown, you know, like Craig Watts have to respect him. Tears come my eye when he said it, man, I'm man. The man, granny dead. And when you look at great Dave Brown turn up with rum and food, all type of something at the grave digging and the candlelight, and turn up at the funeral too. So I couldn't believe. You say I give that man respect.
Some people understand the politics and not take it personal sometimes, you know. There's some man just, you don't know.
Mark go and take it personal. Because I remember when that man switch on a walk beside Bunting. He looked for him and said, you don't want him beside him. A Bunting officer, calm down. He's one of us now. Eh? And him want to be a leader. They need to play that record. They need to play that record over and over and over. Because Mark is nobody to run Jamaica.
You remember when he run the judge, right?
Yes.
Him not good at all, you know. Him not good. Him
Dirty man. Dirty man.
Typical nasty.
With him and them born the same month, basically almost the same date.
When you born, I'm doing maybe I wish about your band.
Yes.
He's born in England, you know. So
The two of them are two very determined person, but them determined about different things.
Yeah.
One is determined about righteousness and one is a determined fuckery.
Craig would say the Jamaican people, especially women, them look for the most sexiest man who are running for election. So him say look for Andrew and look for Mark Gold. Which one sexier more? That's why everybody go for Andrew.
Why one thing me know the woman then go with Andrew, you know.
Liar than this to say. They say a man them a vote for PMP, you know. Yeah. And you man them a vote for Labour Right Party, you know. But
I have more women in Jamaica, more man.
Differently still, you know, we have to, as man in our country still, you know, me make it chat last night, you know, so we have to tip we have to woman them, you know, because a long time they might carry mantle like country certain way, you know, we have to.
No, but the fact is, you know, anyway the woman,
making go find Panta go find a wood go pan. Move from here, sir.
No, it's straight dog them there night, man.
Yeah, man, cause a condom alone in Panta. Go find a wood.
Go find wood wrap around. Panta go find wood wrap around. I'll prevent the package AIDS. Anyway,
let's get on with the business.
Yes, man, we have to tip we have to.
I distract them. Them go do. I don't work them. I do. Them are distract them there.
Yes, man, laugh, man. Go find that wood wrap around. Go find that wood wrap around. I'll prevent the package disease, man.
All right. Let's go.
By the way, the Labour Party put out a press release. You know, want to read it?
No, I haven't.
About some of the statements that are being made. We want to talk about if you switch, you're going to ditch. And the leader said something to me. Remember what him say?
Them a press one thing. Them have a new slogan. If I want slang, them a build. Cause they about yet with time come. But say blood and fire, comrades.
Aye. Hey, what's it?
After the election, I'm going to tell him I'll get locked up. Or before the election.
What's it? Who did say blood and fire?
Michael Manley, man. Blood.
Aye.
Fire. And the boy, when the rest.
When he said, Rusty, when Michael Manley said? 1980.
1981, yes.
Yeah. When them bring the whole M16 them from Cuba.
1980, you remember 1980?
When they bring the whole M16 them from Cuba.
189 Jamaicans were alive, coming up on 351 in 1980. 351 in 1979.
Tell him to try it again.
This is a time, you know. Okay, we can't tell you, you know. Every time PMP take it to Labour Right and lose, you know. Every time. Because the Labour Right, them still don't have themselves, you know. And when the PMP then take it, I will tell them to go to Labour Right them. So Mark, young in this, you don't understand this thing, you know. But I was on one side.
Oh, he did that England in the time, man.
No, he ain't there.
He did that England. He did that England. He for the same way. Then the time.
1980, my 15, you know, man.
He did go and Mr. England.
15 year old. No, not at all. You know, I don't understand this thing.
Me had this 5-year-old and I forgot.
Yeah,
I'm gonna send us another bed.
Chef, you know, you're not listening. You're not listening, you know. This way connecting that I say, you just a shout.
Marky G can't talk when you want to talk, say, and follow what Michael man they say. I don't get it. Getting people them in trouble with labor right. Labor right, a good behaving people, you know, but you shouldn't get it.
We hear you, no boss.
When labor right, I don't know, man, nothing. I was police in 1918, you know. I police was down the seat, you know. Me see that play out, you know.
I was 5-year-old in time then.
We go up on one scene. With 8 perish one night.
I have to go lie down under the bed on belly.
Speak. Why everybody keep butting in? Make the man speak, no man.
Me I tell Chef Wayne say, nah, listen, Chef Wayne just a talk and connect to that time.
Man.
Chef Wayne doesn't know it's an iPhone.
Once somebody attack me, I'll stop. Because you know, 2 people can't talk one time. You know, in not getting across properly.
Continue where I suspect.
No, me I say, they comrades them. You know what I'm talking? Let me show you something. I said it several times before, you know. I mean, I have some posts on Facebook, more than one post on Facebook, you know. Anytime you say violence afflict, the PMP will lose. And I lose badly. Right? Because the PMP will win, try to win with any means, you know. 1980, what Michael did, see it coming back under Mark Golding. 1980, he started campaigning from February 1980, but the election was not until like you want communism. Am I looking at it? Get them lucky.
Oh, you know, on a knife.
Nobody cash back, man.
You know, on a knife.
Why? We have to sharp knife in there. No, sir. Why? Yes, yes.
You know, on a big pot.
No, I mean, one no better. I mean, I need a big pot. So the campaign start February 1980, and the motive for starting the campaign, running for 8 months, was to use violence to intimidate, drive fear into the people and to take a victory that wasn't there. The polls, you know, all the most reliable poll in Jamaica ever, you know, is the Carlstone organization, you know. When Carlstone poll, you know, you can go sit on one side and say you lose, you know, I know they win.
Spec, 1 second, I want to ask you a question. Sorry for you. Do you think it was a deliberate act on Michael Manley to announce the election 8 months before the day kill off on labor right? Like, to try the same 76 thing without
that is exactly what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. So if you don't get it, I say it was a deliberate action to use the violence and the intimidation and the unaliving to drive fear in the labor right them so they don't come out. But the labor right take it to them. You say I wanna where Prime Minister that the constituency there.
Yeah, we're
name Carl Ocean Thompson.
Rusty are connected. Let me get the understanding there because you say something look while. Him call the election 8 months before
the election.
The date?
Hold on, 1 second. Sure if it call, but the campaign start February. Remember the campaign start February 1980. And the campaign run from February 1980 to the 30th of October 1980. 8 months that. And in that 8 months, Jamaica at the time, as a matter of fact, we have never had a similar election in terms of the amount of red tape run.
It was a civil war.
It was like a civil war, yes, 1980.
It was classified as a civil war.
Yes, because they obviously Michael realized that the election and the PMP will use anything to win an election, anything at all. Take that from me. I hear Robert Nesta Morgan say the same thing, you know. And he said, he not rule out nothing. And apparently, as a young MP, you know, as a young man, just born, he don't understand what PMP is, you know. He just get it, you know. And he said, I say, based on what he saw in his own constituency. He said, anything, I mean, any and everything, they don't rule out nothing. And I am telling you this, I lived it and I saw it. The People's National Party will do absolutely anything and everything. You see what I'm going to lie, And you find them out until the next life. Don't miss it.
So connecting. No, that Cliff Hughes said this morning or yesterday said that
Yesterday.
one thing the PMP, the JLP cannot match the politics of the PMP.
No.
No time, no deal.
I agree with that.
Yeah.
When it comes to them politics and them deadly, you know.
Yeah.
You see 2002, you know. Well, the first thing. Go all the way back to 1976. Michael Mann would have lost 76 without the state of emergency, you know. He wouldn't win, you know. But then we do anything, any and everything, lock up Pernell, lock up Abdigan, lock up
Pernell.
And win.
Pernell. I first hear Pernell talk on the last night.
Oh, yeah, last time. Yeah, about 2 or 3 times before. I don't matter
man.
No, a lot of what he said. I can relate to a lot of what he said. I was around the time, 1976, I was a big boy.
That old man, he's so versed.
No, man,
he's
very sharp. The man brain sharp, same way.
Very sharp.
Yeah, man.
The man look good for 93, man.
No, man, 90, September I come.
No, man, him 89.
September I come 90. September I come 90. He won't say I'm 90.
He told us how he require get his land, his property. PMP lawyer, him get and borrow money and buy him property. Burn down him cane. Them Lego cow, them do everything on him property out there. Man say them do everything, but at least they can't burn me.
You know what? One thing when we realize them, you know, bit against them, you know.
No.
Bit against them.
One thing he did a sing last night. As much as we did ask labor right question, because we know that, but him always did that kind of say, like
because Richard Centarbin came up and asked him if he had an office, and he said yes. And Richard Centarbin said to him, "You remember I come to you to sign something for me? Them time there." Pernell Chancellor said to me, "If I never signed it, it's a reason why I never signed it. And I don't know you, so I don't sign it. And maybe somebody said something to me, and I don't sign it. But anyway, if I didn't sign it and I offend, apologize."
I same thing, my man, humble bad man.
Yeah, man. The man said, "Take my number and come see me Friday next week. I'll sit down and I'll talk to you about it. I apologize." Straightforward.
Me listen to him all the while. A veteran that doing, man. A whole veteran that, you know. You know the thing.
No, was pretty live last night.
But to go back to what I was saying there. I am not surprised that some of the utterances, like Golden at about Labour right now, look after this so easy. We have to step up, get busy and get wicked on them. I am not surprised by those. Because what I have noticed is that Mark Golden taking over the PMP is coming close to some of the things that I used to witness in the 70s and 1980s. Mark Golden is bringing back those memories to me now. Some of the things MP them I say, caretaker them I say, you see all the bloggers them more than confrontational. We have excellent to talk about, like I use what they call in law as implicit threats. I say, remember some of the picture up there, you know. Remember some of the picture up there. I drive for every day right now, but they can sit down there. They're my young body, you know. Understand this thing.
You know,
last time we tried that, you know, at them, you know, upon it losing it. At them,
yes, but connecting, you see, like, as what you're saying, you know, is that when we look upon, you know, the PMP, them exhaust most of their option, you know, they exhaust the corruption.
All the options gone. I want to who left now, the lie, them, and the intimidation and the violence.
Yes.
That's how left right now. So
as they now no real weaponize, they can't really weaponize anything against the Prime Minister.
Then try use the integrity corrupt to kink at the Prime Minister. That no work.
That no work.
The PMP fingerprint all over the integrity corruption. The PMP fingerprint is all over.
So if they really are going to electorate, then if really are going to election here with the mindset, say, yo, you know, say we not lose the election here. You know?
Yes. That's what I say.
One thing left.
Every time they try that,
and the reduction in violence, it kind of
counterproductive. That hurt them bad.
Counterproductive. Because the thing with it, when we keep saying, you know, is that when the violence high, you know, what happens is that it leave a stem of fear amongst the citizens in our country. So the propaganda, when they spew the lie and the propaganda, it will start stick because people will second guess and say, boy, you understand, but you see when the fear no real, if the element of fear no linger amongst the citizens, them
Yeah.
the propaganda is hard for you stick. It come like
Yeah.
you try matter drywall.
The thing about it, you know.
Well, I'm not connected before, if you got.
Yeah.
But Rickster are, let me know the box 1 minute now.
You can borrow from there or something.
Morning, everybody. Morning.
Morning,
Morning,
morning.
connecting. Morning.
Wait,
Wanna
wait, wait.
listen Craig Watts last night in video where Cliff used that player.
No, I didn't listen it. I didn't listen it at all. I'm going to listen it after I come up with that live.
Man, wanna listen, man. Me say it was a joke with Cliff and Tyrone yesterday, man. The man say mother drop what piss him out or something down a Jubilee Hospital. Oh, a man
Turn
gonna
the Prego.
no
Prego start.
Lawrence Rowe.
Lawrence Rowe.
Yeah, Lawrence. Me I tell her, me say connecting it was a drama.
No, me
Cliff
watch
taking
that
himself.
Lawrence Show presentation. That's all.
Yeah, we see it, man. When he said the boy when I have the Jamaica birth certificate, can't chat to me.
Exactly.
It's too old, Ghana.
It's a A, the being certificate. AA.
Right.
Mhm.
Eh.
So I wish PMP girls switch, which high profile PMP girls switch come a labor right.
I'm not sure we
What?
know.
When?
Cause me see it on TikTok, one black woman.
I want to Keisha years. I don't think she.
Yeah, me just see it on TikTok a while ago. So she breaking news. And she put up her two finger then. Yeah.
That's right.
You say, not yet, you know. You tell me that, you know. Not yet. You wait till the
So make a lock off your
election.
camera, cause baby in a chair.
Yeah, Rusty, I forgot to switch off that.
So much people that come over. But
No, man, what me I tell you now. You say, no for too young for no what in the 1980, you know, man. What me I tell you know.
Spec, good morning. I just want to add to 100 and you in terms of the crime. In terms of the crime on the day a while ago. Remember, if the crime is high, you can do political killing and it is not seen as political killing.
What's your word?
Oh, sorry. The unaliving of people.
Yeah.
Yes. So you see, with the crime down, as I said, it is counterproductive. So as a result of that, it don't give them that power to go out there, and the police are fully
active.
Yes. So can't go on, no, can't. Thank God for that.
You know, only I'm glad about that the government spend the resources and the security forces. Because they realize the danger, you know. And they have massive recruiting and the boots are on the ground. They have technology, they have whatever they come with them, I think about in terms of violence. The police did it like a matlock on them. You understand? So it won't be it can't be as effective. Although the fear of crime, you know, it been said that the fear of crime is worse than crime itself.
Exactly.
You know? Yes, the fear element do a whole heap of things, man.
Yeah, man, it's true. My son who work abroad is in Jamaica now. And he can link me up yesterday. And he tell me, say, when he come and drive out and he say, oh, the road look now. A totally different thing. I know left too long, you know. Less than a year ago in Leva. Right? And he come out and he say to me, say, him not hear it on the news out there. He say, all him still a year and he want to analyze him at take place.
Yeah.
He say, you know, you never know say the analyzing done by 48%. He say, if you never tell him on the phone, he would know, kind of, you know, some news on it. And he watch news.
So that's why me was saying, Sir Connecting, that it is important when we're on the lives, we speak on these things.
The most important thing we have to do. The most important thing we have to do.
Yes, because
not as important as that.
I talk about it every day because me go around some people, Sir Connecting. We in a foreigner, we don't know one, and them are talk about 2-3 years back what Jamaica used to be. So you see, the more we talk on the reduction of crime and all of these goodies, because think about this, Connecting. Gunman come on my yard already, and more than one time. last one a 6 gun, right? And I say it here all the time. And it traumatized my mom to this day. No, you see that Eastern Westmoreland talk with them take with a man there yesterday. You hearing me?
Yeah, man, I actually went to take my Eastern Westmoreland. What my Eastern Westmoreland?
Yes, yeah, man.
What happened
At the top.
This
some man go take with a man. And my mother normally call me for them days, right? And she start call my wife, and she start call. She called me. You have to be, because she know me go on them Wednesday. But again, when we do the background, our go on, and them people there were cash money ready, cash money quick. Me I say it that way. Who can read the maths, read the maths. You understand? Yeah. So some of the crime we have to understand how it work. It not just happen out of the blues like that, and people need to know that. We don't say a man know we want, and you can attest to it. I won't say that a man not just will get up and do a one thing, but he would have there
randomly, right?
Randomly, but generally, the Deputy Prime Minister said it is 80% young related. Come here, say him let us some water and him get and then let him go. That's how I'm here. I don't know if I true last time.
In return?
Yes.
Okay.
Something like that.
How much water, so? How much water in the go? About 2 million.
Maybe more than that be here.
Who people, man, and then go feed him. Not political.
Maybe not political, man.
That not
But not trust. All right. You see part of the politics in a Westmoreland.
Morning, Judith.
And these areas, Plank.
Yeah.
It might seem like not political, but let me say this to you. You see, a lot of the businessmen were already connected to the other use. You have to learn. So that if when them call upon them to send off water, you can't send it off then. You get the maths?
Because they have certain allegiance, some backdoor dealing.
Exactly.
So, man, believe that with tea, man.
Yeah.
Alright, now we kind of look cheap on them, so money not run the right way because them are going to lose certain constituency. And the funding now go turn over, the investment now go turn over. We're supposed to turn over, so I'm always an idea. You understand? Then $400,000 we are here about, and then $300,000 we are here about.
Let me tell you something. Me want to look back.
What investment you talk about, brother? What investment?
It's just an
investment. Them are thief, people scam.
No. Black King. Let me tell you the investment.
Of Olympic. You will see
Black King. You see round robin. You have to know. See the investment here. Round robin. No, because you hear the suit. Take it for granted. Let me tell you how it goes. You see the liquor we do the round robin. It come from a PNP business, right? And when the liquor sell, you have to pay over the money. If the liquor not sell, some liquor go back, cold liquor we can't take back unless the next round round. So you have to find money to pay back for that, Or you take certain consignment.
That's consignment, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
wow.
Man. But yes, and it is a very big business. That's why chicken back fry and whatever can keep and it can happen in that way there. You get the maths? The illegal cigarette we used to sell at Jamaica, maybe it's still down there sell. A big business. So that's why a lot of people, and when you can't pay your bills, you're obligated because election are coming now. When you not pay your bills, you have to vote for your bills. You know that? And the under this way you have it. Yeah, so the thing go. We know people who are $1 million on liquor consignment. And them have to pay it off. And then you all the America, you have to pay off here Jamaica.
Olympic.
Yeah. You.
Olympic.
Yeah, man, I hear you.
Listen to me. You see, if you have to a party, you take $1 million worth of consignment liquor. When the party done, you're supposed to make $2 million. You make $1 million. The man will give you the liquor, make $1 million.
You could have made more than that, you know. It could be more than that.
After party, yeah. Me just use that.
Yeah, but it could be more than that.
That number there.
Just use the example connected. Because regular, when me used to keep party, when me take 1.5, 2 million. When party done, I pay my bill, me thanks. When me and my friend them go drink the next day, we pay. So nobody not supposed to keep no party. When party done, they don't want nobody their money.
Enough people don't know maths in a plan. Enough people don't know maths. I mean, tell you they rent venue to, you know, remember that apartheid, you know.
You can't, let me tell you this.
But Plank, one second Olympic. 1 second Plank. My understanding of consignment different from yours. My understanding of consignment what I used to do, if the liquor come up, if the liquor that you take to come up to $50,000, it doesn't matter how much you earn after you sell your thing. If you take $50,000 or $1 million worth of liquor, it doesn't matter how much you earn, you just give them back how much liquor you take.
No,
if the liquor don't take, you don't sell.
Yes.
If you don't sell your car back, what sell your car back? What don't sell your back?
Yeah, if you don't sell your car back, yeah.
Hot. Yeah, but you don't have to put hot liquor on that. Don't use the word hot liquor.
Remember, say,
right.
Yeah, man, we don't care about cold liquor.
Party nowadays, you know, give it some beer party, yeah. Give it a man.
No. Yep.
Party nowadays, a quad party.
Yeah. Why? What I want to pay on some man.
All right, then go ahead, Olympic.
So you understand where I come from, Black King?
Yeah, man, we did do one.
Yeah, man, me understand where from, man. Yeah.
So where you find sometime, you see, then who are people, because they who for the goat, and then who for this, and them a try pay off, and the consignment man tell them, say, no worry themselves. So next week, then, when you have a party, you use that for pay it. So they might create a bill for you, you know. And then, them know, say, the objective where you have and them have two different objectives. Because they want to put you in a debt. So you have to support them party, you know.
When you are doing consignment liquor, and you must pay for the money. You must pay for the money before you get the liquor. By right. Some business people, because they know you, then just give you a leeway. But by right, you're supposed to pay 50%.
All right. Let me ask you something now. I'm going to say something now. It's impossible, almost near to impossible or impossible to make 100% on consignment liquor. Because first thing first, you cannot double liquor price. So you work in a party, especially round robin. You cannot double liquor price. You get, when you do consignment, if a beer is for $280, I'm going to give you a beer for $300. So you have to put on your markup and it will be $600. You cannot. See?
Exactly.
And the land money we are paying for the venue, you can't count that in the profit at all. That's a dead money. The money are dead money. Any money where you pay anybody will help you, them they are dead money.
Head south on Brinkhoff Road toward Plaza Boulevard.
What you call dead money?
Them they are money.
Rusty.
You cannot get back for selling all right.
Money where you pay
for the investment money that then. Are the investment money?
If you want to put it up. But in other words,
okay.
That's how you spend for make what you make.
Make the business work. Okay.
All right.
We're on the same page.
Hold on, brother. Apart from what you make up for your food and your liquor, and that's your profit.
All right. Listen to me, Rusty. Tom is a party promoter. You don't make money off of food in a party. You lose off of food.
I make money off a food party, you not keep no party.
Right.
Exactly.
Sometimes you lose.
If you don't make money off food, you're supposed to make your
Soup.
Listen.
Plank.
You know, if you keep round robin.
Plank. Me a keep party. Every September I keep party. And I can tell you this, if you don't make your money off of your food, you're not keeping one party.
That's true. Right.
That's true. And your food is
you can't make money off of food.
You see your food. Your food.
I was coming back in.
Chef, when I say something, but when I say food, I mean that is inclusive of your soup and anything in your kitchen. And you keep not paying a bar and a fee, because you can't make 100% lick profit off of your blouse and skirt lick and a fee up.
Of course, Rusty.
Boy.
How much for a rum? How much for a rum? How much for a bottle of rum?
All right, but if your argument say $4,000.
How much you sell? How much you sell back a rum for? The party?
More than 7 grand.
10 grand.
No, that a which party?
Any party? 10 grand for a bottle of rum.
That depends on the type of party we are keep. But you can't do that a round robin and drink out on himself.
No, round robin of one set price. If you want the round robin, you get a set price. But if you not join it, you have to pay a party price, brother.
No, but party different from round robin.
No. Listen what me I say to you. If me have a round robin and a 20 away in the round, 20 of them are the same price. But you
no plank, you're wrong.
Listen to me.
The round robin, the price.
You can't tell me nothing.
Plank, you're wrong, brother. The round I used to be in a Jamaica, you know. Me I tell you you're wrong when you come to the pricing, brother.
Listen what me I said to you.
It's a one price. Them said they haven't got price to the member and price to the non-member. A one price straight across the board, brother.
One.
No.
May I tell you?
May I tell you?
Plank,
it depends. Different area have different things.
Gemini run up in, you know. Gemini used to run the biggest run up in out there.
May I tell you?
Look at
you
later make talk to them. I'm going to one building where my signal I got in. So I can't
let you the round robin.
You go put yourself for the rest of the day.
You will join the round
man, you too.
Round robin card. You're different from two different price margin. That's how it
I never see that happen before, brother. May I tell you?
In a place.
Me never see that happen.
Well, tell me, I tell you. I used to keep round robin in a man. May I tell you?
Me tell you, I keep round robin as well. I used to, Gemini round robin, I last round robin me come out of.
Want to look up pussy.
Me left from England and come out there year time just to draw down my round robin. I've never. Yeah, that may do too. That may do.
One year more.
I'm just going to have a meeting. I go to a meeting, so I can't even.
Mute on the business.
Where you from?
Yeah.
What name?
Policeman. Me mute him already.
Alright, my senior, so I go block for my page.
Alright. Yes, I work. I will depend social media where I work. Shit.
It's that with them like Congo where I'm there. Everybody have waste time with them. Everybody a waste of time like them.
Big man, round robin extra time still.
Block him
You
off my
lose.
face.
You lose more than what you lose. You lose more money more than what you put in at the round robin.
Let's keep
Watch
him.
out. Watch out now.
Now,
You cut.
all of them in a plan. If everybody
Oh,
turn
watch
a
out.
plan, not all of them plan. Just time when people make money off around.
Yeah, but this is how me I show you that thing. Me ever put the round robin.
Yeah. Yeah.
He said,
Yeah.
tell them not to spend 20 grand round robin.
That it depends. That's right. It depends. You might go to a man and spend and shut it down. And somebody come to your run robin and then the exact amount that they meant to spend.
Round robin, you see? Only in a round robin and dance. You see round robin? Money you now make back in a round robin. So you're sure money in round robin more than that. You must make money because you can't get more money. You can't get the venue money. And you can't promote.
Sandra, mute. Sandra, mute. Me can't to Sandra. Mute. Sandra.
No, man.
With Sandra.
Yeah. You see that? You can't promote money. It's on money.
I'm going to tell her this, Ross.
Finish now. So, you know, it depends.
Where is he coming in there?
Yeah, definitely depends on Ram and himself. And you can up and pray. You have to sell the food. If you don't sell it, it's a problem. Because your money, the food, kitchen, if that sell your dead nice, that's why you say when you come rabbit now, go rabbit you have a set money everybody have to deal with. Anybody come outside of the round robin club sale.
Alright. I'm going to tell her how we deal with robin. We are the round robin, Ross. We have a thing we call table deal. And you do 30 table deal at 20 grand. And you get the 30 people. You know, say you make a cheese this up. Well, it's a echo. I don't know why.
You know the one thing we can flap in around when you have some people come at the round robin and trust the liquor or don't turn up. That are the wicked we can have in a round robin.
Ross, I'll tell you what one boy do me. Up the day, I'm going to chat back to him.
But you have some people, you know, you go after the round and they come after you and the money, you know, and they must send the exact money, you know, brother.
Rusty, me say, me have a budget when me and the man good, man cheap, party, and the man send me a table for $50,000. Me nah buy, you know. Me nah buy. All right, and tell me say, you want me your party a come up, me I go buy back a table deal. Deal was $30,000. And when the man